Narayanyam, Dashakam number 3, Shloka number 7. Vidhuya kleshan me kuru charana yugmam dhritarasam bhavet kshetra praptau karamapi cha te pujana vidhau bhavan murtya loke nayanam अथते पादतुलसी परिघ्राणे घ्राणं श्रवणमपि ते चारुचरिते. So far into this dashakam, we understand Bhattatri was concerned about being distracted. He felt that being distracted due to his physical illness, it was distancing him away from Guruvayurappa. Look at the level of his bhakti. He says, Vidhuya kleshan me. Akleshan, we have seen this word appear earlier, means sufferings. Vidhuya kleshan me refers to the sufferings that Bhattatri was going through. Kuru. Hey Guruvayurappa, he is pleading with Guruvayurappa and says, please do something. Please do something to enable me to charana yugmam dhritarasam, to enable me to visit the temple. And visiting the temple makes me happy. Dhrita rasam, happy. Bhavet kshetra prapto. Kshetra means a place. So in this context, it refers to the temple. Karamapi cha te pujana vidhau. Enable me to visit the temple so I can offer puja, prayers and other rituals with my own hands. Bhavan murtya loke, and nayanam, and I can enjoy with my own eyes your form, Hey Guruvayurappa. Athate pada tulasi parigrane granam. The fragrance of tulasi leaves offered at your feet is something that I want to enjoy using my nose, through my nose. Granam refers to nose, the olfaction. Shravanam apite charu charite. And Shravan means ear, to hear, ears. And I want to hear stories that glorify your great deeds, Guruvayurappa. So don't deny me of such pleasures. And please help me do something about this pain, or at least help me to take my mind off this pain. He is literally pleading with Guruvayurappa. Can you imagine taking your mind off the pain even for a second? Unimaginable, impossible, I would say. By virtue of the way we are designed, it's very difficult for us to keep our mind off pain, however small it may be. I will repeat this shlokam slowly. Vidhuya kleshan me kuru charana yugmam dhritarasam bhavet kshetra praptau karamapi cha te pujana vidhau bhavan murtya loke nayanam athate pada tulasi parigrane granam shravanamapi te charu charite.